This is group task number 166, and this is the task which is actually asked in HPCL this month. So on the basis of the feedback given by some of the students, I am bringing this task to you, and let's discuss it. 165 group task was also based upon the actual HPCL, and this is also on the actual HPCL task they have asked. It comes on your screen. This is a situation given to us. Government is planning a scheme for poor people to construct home for them, which are ecological and within budget. So government wants to construct house for poor people within particular budget, and budgetary limitation is 10 lakh. In HPCL, I don't know what limit was given, so that students have not revealed, but yeah, it was 10 lakh, let's say. And we have to make house within 10 lakh per house, and it has to be ecological. So 4 categories are being targeted here of customers. Old age people जिनकी एज 60 साल से ऊपर है and they are living alone. Single parent with 2 to 3 children. Couple 20 to 30 years living alone. Couple with children and parents. जिनके बच्चे भी हैं, parents भी साथ में रहेंगे. So these are the 4 categories of the houses you have to make. So we are given these 4 categories here, and entire discussion should go on these points. I mean, you should discuss these points. What civil amenities you want to provide in these houses? Row wise बनाने के multi story बनाने. Priority while distributing the house. Suppose you started making the houses, whom will you give the first? What facilities do you want to provide? And any other consideration which you want to take. But these 4 consideration you should take, and any other from your side. Now I give you a couple of minutes to think, then we start it. Okay, so I think you have gone through these topics and you have read these topics. Now, let me give you the instructions. See, this is the task, group task, and you will be observed very meticulously. They will give you sufficient time, and a lot of observer will be sitting there. So whatever you say, they are going to listen to that very carefully, and they are going to discuss with you that in interview also, that why you said this. So you need to give very good points in support of the group task, and at the end I'm interested to know the conclusion. So what I advise you is, like, this is a group task, so you have to take everybody along with you, and if you find somebody is not participating, try to bring him along with you. And you find that somebody is struggling with the language problem, let's say Hindi or English, it is your responsibility as a team to bring him in and make him understand the things. And at the end, you will, entire group will be given the credit on the basis of how good discussion you had, how good you were in getting along with others, was it a true team spirit you displayed, and what solution you provided. At individual level, you may get eliminated if you do not participate, or the points which you are given are not relevant, they are irrelevant points, so you may be eliminated on the basis of that. So keep yourself close to the topic, give the relevant points, give chance to others also to speak, listen to their points, and come to the conclusion. 5 minutes before the conclusion, I will pop up and give you time warning, though you will have sufficient time. If you want more time, you can get more time also, but at the end, conclusion should be good. Now I open the discussion, please move forward.
Hello everyone, so I'm glad to start the discussion. The topic on which we have to discuss today is that government is planning to construct home for poor people in budget, and the budget is around 10 lakh per house. And there are four categories of person in which we have to just build the house. There is old age, single parent, couple, and couple with children and parents. So we can discuss this topic on the basis that first of all we have to land procurement first, on the basis that how much houses we need to construct, and the cost effective material facilities, and for smaller family smaller houses, and bigger family bigger houses. So now I'm inviting all of you to further discuss on this.
I think home should be made
Yeah, I think
multi-supervised
we need
because
to
it
look
will
upon certain factors.
leads on. Okay,
Yeah, I think we need to look upon certain factors for this. First thing is we need to check on the priority. So whom should be given priority first? I believe like oldest people has to be given priority first. Like if you ask my opinion, oldest people should have given priority first, because like old people cannot, they don't want an independent areas. Like they are like living alone. So if we keep a space, like we can accommodate most number of old people, because they require a lesser area compared to other three categories. So that was one point.
Yes. Yes, Anil, I agree to your point that we have to discuss about the priorities. But before that, what I feel is we should first plan it out, like how we will build. And in the later stage, we will discuss that whom should be prioritized. Because first we have to build the house. So for planning, what I think is the most important is budget. Since we have a budget constraint, so according to the budget, we will decide like where to spend. So the first thing I think is, as one of our friend told, that land procurement is important. That where the land is situated, that will affect. That will have a lot of effect on the budget. Okay, and the second thing which we have to decide, that we have to build a multi-story or a single story. And the third thing is that do we want to give it, because we have to give it to some contractor to build the building, so how much cost will he take? So that thing. And the fourth point is we have to make it ecological also. So I think on these 4 points we should discuss, and accordingly where the money
what
will
my friend
go.
said.
Yeah.
What my friend said, we think I should prefer to have a multi-story building because if it is single story row-wise building, it will lead to increase in cost because a large amount of land will be required. And if the multi-story building, then that cost will get reduced, but there will be issue that they are old people, they are children, they have to climb the stair. We can use lift too, but basically it will increase the cost. But compared to the cost which we will procure because of the
No, actually we will provide home.
as
We
well
will
as
provide ground floor home to old age people, and we don't need lift. They can also climb stairs.
definitely. But
Yes, Mustafa,
but
I
if we
completely
are going to
agree with
provide,
you. Like multi-story building is a good idea because for foundation also some cost is there. And if we build a multi-story building, one-time foundation, and then we can keep on building. And as our friend said, that for old age people we will allot the ground floor, so it won't be a problem for them. And the other categories are like parents with 2 to 3 children, and we will not make like 5, 6 floors, like till 4 floors we will make like that. So climbing till 4th floor is not a problem.
I think the amount of cost we have to plan. The amount of cost we can prevent from
what
building.
amenities we are going to provide them. So first we will discuss about what amenities we are going to provide in the building. Like it is
before that, that is true. But before that, we need to understand
guys,
that.
we should first.
Actually, there is also size of a family, so we should also look at.
That's what we are jumping little more.
The first we'll go
before
with
that,
step
we have to
wise.
understand.
From land procurement funds.
Land procurement.
Land procurement is the most important thing. You know why? Yeah,
And the
location is
second step
important.
is
I'll
that-
tell you why the location is important.
How many
because
people are there?
Land, if we get a land, when we have to build something, we have to also see that how we will provide the water facilities to the people. So it will depend on the land. If, for example, if the land is situated near a river or something, then we can do boring, and water will not, budget will not increase that much. But if the land is somewhere where it is a area where a lot of stones are there, then we have to bring water.
I think
from
we have a constraint in our budget.
And adding to your point of Akriti, like
point, we have basic civil amenities such as sanitation, electricity, water supply we have to provide. But
let me tell you one thing.
Before land
Before
procurement, first of all, we should do survey that how much home we need to construct.
That's
And
what I'm
according to that, we need to do land procurement. So first of all, we have to do survey.
Yeah, and also that let's say we are not getting the we are not getting a bigger area. Let's say we are not getting the bigger area in the time of land procurement, and we have many people to fit in. Then we have to go for a multi-story building. Okay, so that is the
I would like to find the cost analysis. Cost analysis. For cost analysis,
we have to understand how many people we have to fit and what is our area.
Okay, duplex complex. It would solve the problem for old age persons. They can be accommodated in the ground level, and the further young couples, etc. They could be accommodated on first floor. They wouldn't have.
Rishi, what you're telling is it's a good idea, but we have to plan it for poor people, right? So duplex complex, if we go on constructing that, we have a budget constraint also, and we are building it for poor people. So I think, don't you think the budget will increase?
No, I don't think so, because there are multiple techniques available, and we can arrange our layout such that the cost of laying and foundation could be more optimized. Okay, there are. We are not limited to RCC or other with construction.
There is a fixed cost for square feet. As if you go for duplex building, for example, we have 500 square feet. 500 square feet ground floor and 500 square feet first floor. Then it will become 1000 square feet, and the cost will be definitely increases.
No, it won't.
It's a feasible option we all discussing. I think it should be a multi-story building. 4 to 5 floor will be sufficient, because it, as I already said, that a small amount of land will be required for that. We can reduce the land cost because our budget is limited. We can provide other basic civic amenities such as sanitation, electricity, water supply to all the people, as well as
one point I would like to mention.
For a park which will be beneficial for, as you can see, there are a lot of children are there. People are better environment will be there, so it will be helpful for both elderly people as well as children around there.
One thing I would like to add here, that
we have to analyze the land. Like if it is before river or before hill, then we cannot make 4 to 5 storage building. That will create a risk. So depending on the quality of land, we can go for a multi-storage definitely, but we have to consider that fact also, the quality of our land. So that is
yes, Saptarshi. Yeah, I completely agree with you. Like land procurement is very important, and after that we all had some common quality of land also, and where the land and how much land we need and the number of people. First that survey we will also do that. Then land, and the third thing we discussed was that multi-story. We came to some common consensus that multi-story building we will make. Now I think we should move towards like what amenities we should provide and which should be also within the budget.
I already said that basic amenities as sanitation, electricity, water supply will be our prime importance, because as my friend said, the land procurement is an important issue, that we are not, if we are close to river, then it's easy to drain water from boring. But I think so other issues can be kept in mind. There are hospitals, schools, and the railway station. That should, I think,
I agree to this point. Like we need to check the proximity. Like first thing, like as we are doing for oldest people, like we need to check the proximity to the nearest hospitals. That is one of the basic
first
things.
of all, actually we don't even idea what is the size of the family which we are constructing the home, like how much old age family available, how much single parent family available. So first of all, you have to identify this, how much these families are available, and according to that,
I'm making an that we have done as a first step.
Agreement
we have done. That is done. So we are going to civic amenities.
See, like the category of houses, like we should decide that what should be the house type. Like it should be 1 BHK or 2 BHK. Or because the number of people is varying in each family, right? So accordingly, like I think we cannot give the if we are building a 1 BHK house, we cannot give it for people who are having like already couple is there, children is also there, and they have their parents also. So for this category where the number of members is large, I think for them there will be a separate category. Like for them we can maybe since we have a budget constraint also, so 2 BHK or 3 BHK for them, and the couple which are from 20 to 30 years, they are just 2 members are there, so for them 1 BHK, and for single parent with children also 1 BHK will be sufficient. So on this, if we decide first, I think we should move ahead then to the amenities. What do you all think
to
about
the point
this?
of Agriti, we should reserve around 50% for 1 BHK, and the rest of capacity should be divided into 2 and 3 BHK. Okay, there
think
must be some.
I think it can be built. It can be built on the basis of. It can be built on the basis of some people can come and they can put some documents, some application form, and depending upon the number of people in the house, we can build the house. We can build according to them.
Yeah, one more point.
Yeah, I think for this also survey has to be done. Like how many families are there?
Yeah, one more point I'd like to mention is that if we are making multi-storage buildings, so if you are keeping some old people there, so in the top floors we can keep some young people who can help them out when they are having some health issues, like they have to move to hospitals. So in that case, we can distribute themselves. So we will not feed every old people to a single home. That may create problem.
Yes, Saptarshi, I completely agree. Like all the ground floors will be allotted to, old people, and then similarly young people will be on the top floor, so balance will be there. So I think we have decided on the how much. So 1 BHK I think will be for couple and for single parents, and 2 BHK we can keep for which have more family members, and old age people living alone. I think for them also, because they are living alone, 1 BHK will suffice, and they will be allotted the ground floors. Now we should move on to the civic amenities, and side by side we should keep seeing our budget also, like how much percentage are we giving to the contractors for building it, how much percentage is for civic amenities. That also we should keep in mind. And one important thing it is mentioned, like it should be ecological also. What do you all think? How to make
you are repeating now. I am just asking one simple thing. Have we decided floor limit for our buildings?
Yes,
I think
that we told now, like 4 floors we already
can
decided
go 4
that,
to
right?
5 floor.
I didn't hear that.
Yeah.
Okay, we should decide about the how to make it ecological and within budget. Like, what are your ideas about that?
Yeah, as a civic amenity,
ecological, my idea is to design it such that one does not need a personal vehicle for most of the course, like for grocery or for other purposes. One simply can walk to the nearest place. Okay, so to minimize the vehicle usage, that is my personal opinion. That should be kept on primary priority, and after that, other community purposes could be combined, like say a common community hall could be provided, so that the power usage which is used in entertainment, etc., when everyone is spending time in his own home, that could also
I would like to add, like, what about the basic medical facilities for which you are procuring?
I think we have already said
that was most essential. We cannot even move about that. So it is an addition to that.
I just want to add a point regarding reducing the budget. Regarding reducing the budget and providing some extra facilities, as most people, as it is given that the people are poor people and they want their own home. For reducing the construction cost, we can ask them to come and help for as workers, so that if there is any extra money, we can provide some extra facilities for them to, like some greenery areas and some.
But Vishwam, we don't have the data that they are skilled enough to build, and that doesn't come under a government scheme. I guess government doesn't involve the people in their scheme. Since it is government scheme, that everything government will take care of it. And to ecological point, like I want to add that we can install solar panels in the area. For
solar panels are expensive.
Solar
panels are expensive.
Yeah, one more thing is that in the
initial cost, the setting cost of solar panels are very expensive.
I think the initial cost of the PV cells are quite high. So
yes,
it will be as well as government is providing a lot of subsidies for the poor people, but the initial cost of the PV cell will be high, and it will be difficult to reach the break-even point up to a certain. As I already know that it is a government scheme, it is for the welfare of the people, but the cost procured by the government at the initial stage will be very high, and for 10 lakhs per
first
person
of all, we should
subsidy.
focus on constructing the home rather than the solar and all the things. First of all, we should provide basic amenities.
My friend, we have
solar
discussed that what are the basic amenities.
I was not telling about the basic amenities, Mustafa. We have to also make the house ecological. For that purpose, I told this point. Like, do you have any other point? Because ecological is also very important.
Yeah, ecology can be done by, like,
we can construct park. We can construct trees.
Park, we can construct
children as well as the old people who are there. and it will come into the national determined contributions of our government, our Glasgow Convention, that we are going to be carbon neutral in 2070, and we are going to reduce 1 billion carbon.
Also, we have to.
Yeah, besides that, also we can even keep some areas. You can keep some space empty in an house, and there you can put some trees. That also brings some greenery, and that can bring some ecology. And besides that, if we can, after making the houses, if we are having some extra area, then we can go for some solar thing that has been mentioned by Akriti. If that comes into the budget, because that will even increase our ecology.
If the budget,
we have to discuss that what are the things we are
available as a government is procuring, we can have dustbin all around our campus, all around the home, so that cleanness will be cleanness को हम बढ़ावा दें, जिससे cleanness हो आसपास.
I think if the place is
Also,
available, we can go for some cycling and some more people meeting.
One point also missed.
Hello.
Also, we have to discuss that what are the things we are providing inside the home, like kitchen and home and bathroom facilities and all the things. We should also have to discuss this thing.
Yeah, Mustafa, about that I told her like 1 BHK should be there, so like hall, kitchen, and one room will be there.
Yeah, there should be one corridor like thing also.
Now we should discuss like okay, fine. And
like
we have 100%.
Storing and all, we would also discuss about.
See, for budget, we should now distribute the budget. Like we have 100% money, so like I think 50% of it will go on the construction, because major part, like according to me, it will go in the construction itself, because we have to put the foundation also. Then above that, so many stories will be built. Stairs will be. Rishi, what you were telling?
Is there a civil engineer among us? He could give us a reliable estimate.
Yeah, for that only, to engineers also will take suggestions, and so how I think like 50% budget will go on the construction part. Then we should think that for electricity and water supply, how much we have to spend, and then the rest percentage will go on the amenities part. So I think like
before
we should
the starting of the project,
things.
we will do a detailed project assessment in which we have cover all these aspects.
I think we discussed that earlier,
Yes,
Abhishek. Like we will be doing this survey. Now we should like move towards distributing the budget, because we have already discussed that what all things will be there.
It will be more beneficial that if a single
for data
will be
only,
given
like
all
we
these,
are doing
all
survey, right?
Yes.
It will be beneficial if we give a single supplier, single contractor all this.
Right, we cannot allocate our resources beforehand, before even having the data. So I think we should go with Abhishek.
So we should.
Hello.
See, we have data after survey. We got the data, right? And then we are because we have to plan it like fully. Yeah.
So what is the data? How many families we are targeting?
I just
you're correct. Now we have to what assumptions we have to take. We should discuss that.
Thank you.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
So
first we can divide the budget in 3 ways. Like what customer must needs, what the poor people must needs in their house, and most priority will be given to the first to those products, to those amenities, and then the requirement to the as per the people needs, and then which are not much needed.
So okay, to Vishwam, I would like to add, we should focus on security. Okay, that is policing, etc. Access must be controlled. Not everyone should be allowed to go into that easily. Traffic shouldn't be high, because we are designing for children as well. So there should be a layout planning such that access and that is those coming
We can have a banner of emergency numbers near the buildings. Banner, so that if someone needs, there will be numbers in there.
Okay, I have got some idea that in addition with the police, what we can do is we have to take care of the hygienity of there. And if we find that shops are really very distant from them, so we can make some small building like thing there where we can get some basic requirements like what we require daily on daily basis, and some shops to which can cook some food. So that can be also fit there into the complex.
Actually, I have a point for this. Like, why don't we create a dedicated place for vendors, like any vendors who wants to open their departmental stores, everything. If we give a dedicated space, like one building, like for dedicated space for vendors, like
yes, it's a good idea.
Storing.
Yeah, that will increase the cost. So we can keep that will increase the cost. There is a
No,
high
no, no,
possibility.
no. Actually, it will support us because we can also give it to rent.
Yeah,
Definitely,
that's
people
what,
would
like,
going to buy
support
this
vendors will
shop
get a rent for that every month. So it will be easy. Like, moreover,
because
the
if it is
market,
a
like, if
larger
it,
area, if there are larger homes, definitely people would need departmental stores and shops
yes,
such like that. So
yes,
definitely,
Yeah.
it's a
Okay,
good
that would tie
idea.
into my previous point that we should organize it optimally so that one does not need to walk too much. Okay, so that
Yeah.
that point,
Yeah.
great point.
Yeah, and hygienity also about the cook.
Yes, guys. I think we have discussed that what we have to do now. We should move towards, distribution of the money, because we have been given a certain amount of money which we have to utilize it. Right, like 10 lakhs we have now. We should discuss like how to
5
spend,
more
like
minutes
how
for
much
you.
10
portion.
lakhs
Yeah, how much?
per
Yeah,
home.
we should
I think
discuss.
it
There
would
is
be
10 lakhs
suitable
per.
if we give a single contractor
10 lakhs
all
per
this work,
home,
because
that
it will
would
cost
translate to
very
Okay,
about 1
correct,
crore per building,
correct, correct.
right? Agree.
Yeah,
Yeah,
correct,
so
correct.
1
that
crore
will
per building. And in a lane, suppose there are 10 buildings. So 10 crore in a lane. And
so
there
the
are 5
manufacturing
buildings
cost
on
will
each
also
side.
come.
5
So
buildings
this
on each side, right? So now and try to move further.
yeah, manufacturing cost will also come. So that is the thing. So
Okay,
we
for a
cannot.
single home, if we decide, like for
For
a.
single home, it is fine with 10 lakh. It comes under this in most of the cities of our country.
Yeah.
In
Yeah,
two
That is
since like we
including
don't have, as
Yeah,
one
in
of our
2 BHK
friends said,
also.
we don't have like, don't know how much houses. So we should keep it our budget as, like earlier I said, at 100%, and then we will decide that how much percentage will go. Like, according to me, 50% will go on the construction, then 30% on electricity and water, and then 20% on the amenities, or we can also, shift the percentage. So let's discuss then, and then we should move towards
Yeah, one
conclusion.
point we have missed that
Yeah.
we have to make some priorities. So we have given priority
Yeah,
to
priorities.
68
Yes, yes.
older people. And can we go for the priority 2, 3, 4? What could be it?
I think we have discussed all these 4 points. Let comes to any other ideas, any innovative ideas we can generate.
I
here.
think
we can
the
also
priority thing we
provide
have not
fire
discussed till
extinguisher.
Yeah,
now.
priorities not discussed. Only we
can
have
Yeah,
discuss-
priorities is
Yeah,
not
I
discussed.
think we
So
have discussed
first,
the
as
priorities we given
Saptarshi
to old
told, like
people.
for old people, then the second one thing, I think like couple which are having children and also their parents are there. So we should, because old people
Second.
are there also. So second will be that point, and then third will be the single parent
parent.
which have children, and the
Yeah,
fourth
let's
will be,
discuss
the
that.
couple. At
Couple,
last,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can
I
give it
agree
to
with
the
Kirti.
couples.
I agree with
Yeah,
you.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we
I
have
think
decided that.
summarized into one single point that we should focus on the comfort and security and amenities. Okay, so that is one
Okay.
priority, right? After that,
Right. And
security.
guys,
I think we have
like what
Uh,
I discussed about the budget, do you all agree with that? Or if you have any other point, like please add, like how much percentage, whatever
Actually,
I
I
told.
have a doubt in this regard.
Yeah.
Akriti,
Yeah.
like
Please.
we have
Yeah.
a budget limitation of 10 lakhs per home.
Oh.
Budget
Okay.
limitation, like what does that mean? Like if it is for multi-storied building, it is 20
No,
10
it is
lakhs,
for a
or it
single
can
house.
See,
Single
I
house.
would like to
Yeah, it is
re-
up to
reiterate
one.
my
it
point.
is
One
like
customer.
actually
Anil,
my
Anil,
point is like it can be for 10 lakhs for even it is for single story or multi-story, it won't be same. Like I
Anil,
believe
Anil,
10
Anil.
lakhs is for the maximum budget, and I believe it is for multi-storied building. And if we use single
Yeah,
story
multi-story.
building,
No,
the
Anil, you are
budget will become less, I guess.
I think
no, Anil.
Anil,
It is for
Budget
one
is
house.
fixed.
It's for
Yeah,
one
for
house.
one
Definitely,
house.
I have
Actually,
different viewpoint. As
actually it is
it's
like
for
this
one
that
house.
अगर
It's
हमें
not for the whole multi-store building.
No,
Yes.
actually it is like this that अगर हमें 100 घर बनाना है तो just multiply 10 lakhs into 100 and
100.
according to that we can disburse the budget. This is how
Yes,
we have to do.
yes, that is good. 100
Yeah.
I
into
think I want to add one more point. As it is mentioned, it is 10 lakhs per home. It's a government scheme. The people don't have to pay any money. As we have discussed that,
And
as a size of the family, we are going to allow whether 2 BHK, 3 BHK. But as it is mentioned, it's 10 lakh per home. So it may cause some issues that we are providing 2 BHK for someone, 3 BHK for someone, because as the government scheme mentioned that they are going to provide a single home with a cost of 10 lakh per family.
see, we should assume a number of family and allocate basis on that. So I think Mustafa
Not on the
said
basic of size.
also I would like to add one thing that
Not on the basic
what
of
are
the
the
family
tanks?
size. We
that
should
we have to-
distribute
See, now
just
since
because it is mentioned that 10 lakhs per home. It's a
now we
government
should
scheme.
like
People don't have to pay.
See,
Yeah,
I had
see, we have discussed a lot of things. We should move towards conclusion now, because adding more points, it will only, increase the
definitely.
time of our discussion. So I think we have
Let me
discussed
take the
enough.
opportunity to conclude.
Okay, so see,
Yeah, we
that
can
point,
we can
I have one
start
doubt. Like
tracking.
here, one thing I want to ask for the ecological part. What are the points? If someone has noted down, can you please repeat?
Yeah,
How to
for the
make?
ecological
But
Yeah.
one,
this is one idea for
We have
ecological,
park,
like
we can make
for the
greeneries
yeah.
around
Yeah.
around
for
around the land side.
yeah, for ecology, we will make greenery. We will keep some space in the home. We will keep
Yes,
departmental stores so that the transportation and the
If the funds
vehicle comes
provide, we can
less.
have solar panels too.
Yeah, solar panels too. If we are getting
Okay.
some extra area and extra space and extra money.
Okay.
So these are the
Yeah.
things that can be done ecological.
Okay. And the budget, how much percentage are we giving there? Let's discuss about that. If anyone has, where we are spending how much
Actually,
percentage of
See,
it.
I
there
think
the many things will come
it's
into the
quite
picture.
difficult to
Yeah.
determine the correct percentage. How much
Without
we should
having proper
spend on
the
data.
construction on
manufacturing
this.
cost
We
will
can
come.
assume and
it's
Yeah,
yes,
because
yes.
the manufacturing
As I
cost will
already
come.
mentioned,
See,
that
actually,
we have
we
a
believe
detailed
we don't
project
vendor
have
will
a
come.
before we
perfect
start the
data for
project,
that.
and at that period of
Without
time, we should contact a single contractor who can cover all that basis, and a complete budget should be given to him that we are going to have 100 homes. These facilities, these civic amenities should be provided. We will focus on greenery too. And this type of land will be there. Basic
100 homes means 10
Yeah.
crore budget. 10 crore budget,
Okay.
you have to make 100 homes. How would you do it? That's
okay.
the point we
Yeah.
are going.
Yeah, that is the point.
As we already discussed,
According to me, what I think is 50% should be, spent on the construction. So we'll give it to the to the contractor. Like now you build the house. We have to build a multi-story. And one of our friends suggested that it should be like houses should be of one type. Then 2 BHK I think will be feasible because the couple in the future times they may also have children.
Akriti,
Yeah.
in the example that chose for 100 buildings, so 100 families, that is
Okay.
10 crore budget would be available to us, right? Are you
Okay.
sure
Yeah.
5 crores can build 100 apartments?
100 what? Can you please repeat?
We have to build 100 apartments, right? Then our budget would be
Okay.
10 crore, right?
Okay.
So you are allocating 50%. Can we build 100 apartments in 5 crores?
that's a task in our hand.
Okay.
That's
Then
a
we
task.
will increase the
Yeah.
budget. That
Yeah,
only we have
actually-
to discuss. That only is my point, that we should discuss that also. Like how
The
much
budget
percentage to
limitations
allot.
and like Akriti.
I guess Akriti, like we can't discuss on the
Yeah.
percentage budget because we don't have enough data for that purpose.
I think it's really cost benefit if we
Yeah,
give
the
all this to
manufacturing
the
cost
single
will
also
contractor
come.
that we
The vendor will
our
come.
focus is on building
Budget
this
distribution
number of
will be
houses,
out of
multi-store
scope for
building
us,
will be there,
is what
greenery
I
will be there, sanitation will be prime importance. If we cover all this basis, we give all this contract to a single contractor, it will be cost effective according to me.
Okay.
Distributing
We
money into
should
different
allocate a
contractors.
priority list and allocations too. That was in the allocation for the housing. Now this is for the funding. Most essential is the construction itself. After that, to achieve that priority list, the features, ecological, etc., we should how should we spend our remaining budget after the construction is taken care of?
I think we should
Right.
conclude now.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so
We are,
who wants to go for conclusion?
Okay, let me give the opportunity to conclude. I think the task which we have given, first of all, we are going to do land survey. We are going to do a detailed project assessment about how much, what are the basic amenities required, what are on the cost we are going to procure. We have come into conclusion that it will be a 4 or 5 floor multi-store building should be there. It will be a cost effective. Location is of prime importance, whether railway station is there, hospital, bus stop, or nearby market for the people is there. And we have also discussed about that the civic amenities which we are going to provide, such as water supply should be there, electricity supply will be should be there, as well as we have focused on the ecological part too. That we can have a greenery around. We have park, we have greenery in our land, as well as if the cost permit, we can have solar panels too. As well as we have decided the priority list as well. We are going to give priority to the old age people who are above 60 years of age. Then we are going to give priority with couple with children as well as parents. Then we are going to give priority to the single parent with 2 or 3 children. And in the last one, we are going to give priority to couple with 25 to 30 years of age. And the basic amenities facilities should be market, bus stop should be near to us. And I think I have covered all the point. If you think I missed some, please add it.
Yes, some ground we can also add so that that can also bring them happy, and while old people can walk too. So if that
Yes, but
budget permits.
we have think about parks too.
Okay, so now let me ask you, this budget 10 lakh rupees, how did you spend it?
Sir, depending on construction costs, which were clear to us, the size of our target population, which we are catering for. So depending on the construction costs, whatever remains would be then spent on the additional accessibilities. Like there could be apartments, particularly buildings designated for the vendors, etc. Hospitals could be more accessibly allocated, and other solar panels, etc. could be implemented on the remaining.
Hospital bhi andar hi bana rahe ho?
Yes, sir. So we have our old age populations, etc. There are children as well.
Hospital should be near to the land we are building for.
Hospital bana to nahi rahe ho?
It will be more accessible, sir. It will depend on the actual land.
Yeah, it should be proximate to
And how much is the land you have?
It depends upon the number of houses we have to make.
So are you investing in land also?
Yes, sir, we'll have to, sir.
You are purchasing land also?
So I think it is the government scheme, so the land will be provided by the government.
Allocated by government only, yes. You cannot purchase land because 10 lakh
Yes.
rupees is not sufficient for that.
Yes, sir.
Land cost is very, very high. In fact, you should mention this point that because it is a government scheme, so government must be allocating the land, which we are assuming is not part of this 10 lakh rupees budget. This is a very important point.
And sir, like I was trying to discuss about the budget, but majority was with that we will give it to somewhere. But sir, I think like we should have discussed, right, how much percentage went where, that thing. But sir, no one agreed to that. So
it's difficult to identify how much कितना महीना पैसा हमें बिल्डिंग बनाने लगेगा, कितना वहाँ पे हम लोग सैनिटेशन या बेसिक अकोमोडिटीज प्रोवाइड करने में लगेगा, कितना हम इकोलॉजिकल को बेनिफिट करेंगे. तो एक डिफिकल्ट टास्क हो जाएगा. मेरे ख्याल से कि एक चार्ट बनाना चाहिए, क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं, एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ढूंढना चाहिए, उसको पूरा टास्क देना चाहिए कि ये टास्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना, सबको मैनेज करना would be a headache. अगर एक ही को देंगे वो प्रॉपर्ली मैनेज कर पाएगा सब टास्क को.
See, I think since they have mentioned the budgetary limitation is 10 lakh rupees per home, you must discuss about the budget, and that budget discussion is very important part of group tasks. So what you should have discussed is the first point that, okay friends, 10 lakh rupees per home is allocated. So there are two important points here. Number one, there are 4 categories of the homes we are to make, and some homes will be of larger size, some will be of smaller size. As it is looking like a couple with children and parents will be requiring more accommodation. Old age people living alone may not be requiring big accommodation. So, but we are keeping on an average 10 lakh rupees per home. So let us assume we are making 100 homes, and let's assume you make the assumption, you make that, okay, this is a project in which 100 homes we are to make. Let's assume that old age people above 60 years of age are 20 in number. And then, couple 25 to 30 are 20 in number, something like that you assume. And more categories 2 and 4. I want you to tell me something about that also. As per your understanding that how many people will be in this category, how many people will be in that category. So couple living with parents are also accommodating old people, right? And then this old age people above 60 years, maybe 20 out of 100 homes can be sufficient. Single parent with 2 to 3 children, 20 out of maybe, this. And then couple 25 to 30, 20, 60 and 40 for this couple with children and parents. That is in our Indian society, majority category is this. Couple with the children and parents are a majority category. So वहां पे अपना दिमाग लगाओ कि इन चारों में से सबसे ज्यादा कैटेगरी किसका होगा. So इन सब के साइज के बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन आपको करना चाहिए था कि कपल विद चिल्ड्रन एंड पेरेंट्स का घर थोड़ा सा हमें ज्यादा बनाना पड़ेगा. तो फ्रेंड्स 4 कैटेगरी का घर बनाते हैं. कैटेगरी ए बी सी डी. ए फॉर 1, बी फॉर 2, सी फॉर 3, डी फॉर 4. एंड फ्रेंड्स जो डी कैटेगरी है उसमें ऐसा करते हैं कि हम पेरेंट्स को, चिल्ड्रन को और कपल को 3 बेडरूम बना देते हैं. लेट्स मेक 3 बेडरूम, मे बी स्मॉल बट 3 बेडरूम. जो ओल्ड एज पीपल है उनको 1 बेडरूम दे देते हैं. एंड ये जो कपल 25 to 30 इयर्स है इसको भी 1 बेडरूम प्लस हॉल, BHK जिसको बोलते हैं, बेडरूम एंड हॉल, 1 BHK, 2 BHK. तो that kind of accommodation. So this is 1 BHK, this is also 1 BHK, this is 3 BHK, maybe this is 2 BHK, children and parent, single parent but 2 to 3 children, इसको हम कर देते हैं. कपल एक रूम में रह सकते हैं, ओल्ड एज वैसे भी अकेला रह रहा है, एक रूम में रह सकते हैं, और एक हॉल भी है साथ में. इसमें 3 रूम दे दो, इसमें 2 रूम दे दो, ऐसे 3 कैटेगरीज बना दो. इसकी कैटेगरी A B C बना दो, जिसमें ओल्ड एज एंड कपल जो है 25 से 30 साल वाले, उनको आप अकोमोडेट कर दो एक कैटेगरी में, और B कैटेगरी इनको दे दो, C कैटेगरी इनको दे दो. 1 रूम 2 रूम 3 रूम, ऐसे 3 फ्लैट्स बना दो. अकोमोडेशन अलग है, साइज अलग है, लेकिन ऑन एन एवरेज हमारा 10 लाख रुपए आ रहा है एक घर के ऊपर. 100 घर बना लेते हैं फ्रेंड्स, तो हमारा 10 करोड़ का बजट है. अब इस 10 करोड़ में ये कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉस्ट है प्लस अमेनिटीज कॉस्ट है. लैंड की कॉस्ट इसमें नहीं है, बिकॉज आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि गवर्नमेंट हमें लैंड दे देगी, गवर्नमेंट से हमें लैंड मिलेगी. अब फ्रेंड्स लैंड भी जो गवर्नमेंट हमें देगी, अब हॉरिजॉन्टल बनेंगे वर्टिकल बनेंगे, वो उस पर डिपेंड करेगा कि लैंड कितनी अवेलेबल है. अगर लैंड ज्यादा अवेलेबल है, एंड मोर ओवर ये जो ओल्ड एज वाले लोग हैं, इनके लिए हमें वर्टिकल नहीं बना सकते, इनके लिए हॉरिजॉन्टल बनाने पड़ेंगे. तो जो हमने एक कैटेगरी बनाई है, जिस एक कैटेगरी के अंदर हमारे पास ये 2 कैटेगरीज आती हैं, 25 से 30 साल के कपल और ओल्ड एज. तो ग्राउंड फ्लोर तो रहेगा इनके लिए, और फर्स्ट स्टोरी रहेगी इनके लिए. फर्स्ट स्टोरी और ग्राउंड फ्लोर इनके लिए रहेगा. बाकी एक बिल्डिंग हम बना देंगे वर्टिकली, वो इसमें इस कैटेगरी के लिए हो जाएगा और एक इस कैटेगरी के लिए हो जाएगा. तो लेट्स क्रिएट 3 आई थिंक 100 फ्लैट्स को अकोमोडेट करने के लिए हम 3 या 4 वो बना लेते हैं, ब्लॉक्स बना लेते हैं. उस एक ब्लॉक में जितने भी ओल्ड एज लोग हैं उनको तो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे अकोमोडेट कर लेंगे. एंड हाँ फ्रेंड्स, एक और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज हम जो मिस कर गए वो ये है कि पार्किंग भी हमें स्लॉट बनाना पड़ेगा. तो जो तो हमारा ए ब्लॉक है, उस ए ब्लॉक के अंदर हमें ओल्ड एज को तो बेसमेंट मतलब ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे अकोमोडेट करना पड़ेगा, वहां पार्किंग नहीं बन सकता. तो पार्किंग के लिए ये तो हम बेसमेंट में क्रिएट कर दें, बेसमेंट में पार्किंग बना दें और ग्राउंड फ्लोर हमारा ओल्ड एज पीपल के लिए रह जाए, या हम पिलर कंस्ट्रक्शन करें और पिलर कंस्ट्रक्शन में पार्किंग कर दें, और फिर फर्स्ट फ्लोर हमारा जो है वो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे जाए, फर्स्ट फ्लोर से स्टार्ट कर दें. लेकिन ओल्ड एज रखना पड़ेगा.
मेरा इसमें पॉइंट ये था कि हम इसको इतना कॉम्पैक्ट बनाएं कि ज्यादातर लोगों को ट्रैफिक की जरूरत ही ना पड़े, किसी व्हीकल की जरूरत ना पड़े.
हाँ जी.
क्योंकि अगर जरा सा भी ट्रैफिक होगा तो भी ओल्ड एज वालों को दिक्कत आएगी ही. ठीक है सर, उनके कई एक्सीडेंट होते हैं, मैंने पर्सनली अपना ऑब्जर्व किया है कि वो जरा सा भी ट्रैफिक हैंडल नहीं कर पाते. तो उनके लिए वॉकिंग ज्यादा सेफ और प्रेफरेबल रहता है.
देखो,
और इसी के अलावा जो आपका सेकंड है उसमें चिल्ड्रन है, सिंगल पेरेंट का सीधा सा मतलब है कि उनका पेरेंट काम करने के लिए भी बाहर जाएगा, तो कम से कम 7-8 घंटे बच्चे अकेले रहेंगे घर में. तो उनकी सिक्योरिटी के लिए भी मैं ट्रैफिक के पक्ष में नहीं था, इसलिए मैं इसमें ज्यादा बोल नहीं पाया. पर ये मेरा पॉइंट था कि इसलिए हमें व्हीकल पर मिनिमाइज करना चाहिए, व्हीकलर एक्सेस को.
देखो, व्हीकल में स्कूटर साइकिल तो आपके पास होगी, उसको अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते आप, क्योंकि लो इनकम ग्रुप है. कार में हटा देता हूँ, लेकिन स्कूटर और बाइसाइकिल तो आपके पास रहेगा.
यस सर, यस.
तो आपको स्पेस तो क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, और दैट इज गुड, दैट इज नॉट बैड. एक्सीडेंट सोसाइटी के अंदर, ब्लॉक्स के अंदर एक्सीडेंट नहीं होते. अगर आपको उसको प्रिवेंट करना है तो आप उसका पाथवे अलग कर सकते हैं कि ओल्ड एज को पार्क आपने अंदर क्रिएट किया जहां पे वो टहल सकें. ऑब्वियसली बूढ़े लोगों को सड़क पे टहलने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, दे कैन गो टू द पार्क दैट दे आर टू टेक केयर ऑफ. एंड जो आपको व्हीकल स्कूटर है और साइकिल है, वो जिन लोगों ने यूज करना है, रात को जरूरत पड़ गई इमरजेंसी की, आपको लेके जाना है, अगर आपने प्रोविजन ही नहीं बनाया अंदर तो लेके कैसे जाओगे. इनफैक्ट मैं तो अंदर एक ऐसा व्हीकल भी रखने की सोच रहा हूँ जो रात को अगर अर्जेंसी आ गई तो मे बी यू कैन हेल्प दीज ओल्ड गाइज टू गो टू हॉस्पिटल, या हॉस्पिटल की एम्बुलेंस आ सके. तो यू नीड टू मेक दैट प्रोविजन. जो ट्रैफिक
बनाई जा सकती है, दैट इज, वो तो मिनिमम है ही, पर जैसे डबल लेन रोड दोनों तरफ कारें रखी जाए, वो पॉसिबल नहीं है सर. आई थिंक दैट,
तो हम बात ही नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम तो बात कर रहे हैं स्कूटर साइकिल के लिए पार्किंग लॉट की. अब सोचो 100 लोग रह रहे हैं, अगर 100 लोगों के पास साइकिल और स्कूटर, उसको कहाँ रखोगे आप.
सर वो तो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे ये प्लान ऐसा बनाया जा सकता है ना कि 1-2 स्कूटर उस पर आ जाए, क्योंकि ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे हम जिन लोगों को अकोमोडेट कर रहे हैं उनका फुटप्रिंट ही कम है. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे ज्यादा फुटप्रिंट है, तो आई थिंक दैट कुड बी अकोमोडेटेड, दैट शुडंट बी अ प्रॉब्लम.
नहीं, कहाँ पे पार्क करोगे आप ये सारे के सारे स्कूटर और साइकिल.
लेट्स से सर एक एल शेप का आप शेप इमेजिन कीजिए सर ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर. क्योंकि रूम्स भी कम है ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर, एकोमोडेशन रिक्वायर्ड भी कम है. ऊपर हम पूरा स्क्वायर प्लेन रख सकते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो हमें ऊपर ज्यादा स्पेस मिल जाएगा, नीचे हम अकोमोडेट कर सकते हैं
ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे.
यस सर, पार्किंग थोड़ी बहुत अगर आपका स्कूटर्स एक्सेट्रा के लिए.
हाँ नहीं, वही चीज मैंने आपको बोला है कि पिलर कंस्ट्रक्शन करो या बेसमेंट में बना लो. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू।
ग्राउंड फ्लोर वाला जो हमारा एडवांटेज है वो खत्म हो जाएगा ना सर। ओल्ड एज
ग्राउंड फ्लोर आप सब ब्लॉक्स पे नहीं दे रहे हैं, आप
Yes,
सब ब्लॉक्स पे ग्राउंड फ्लोर नहीं देंगे, बिकॉज ओल्ड एज के लिए चाहिए आपको लिफ्ट। यू विल नॉट मेक, you will
Yes,
not
sir.
make the lift system because it will not be operational, और cost maintenance cost आपको minimum रखनी है।
Yes.
लिफ्ट आप नहीं बनाएंगे, आप ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे दे देंगे या पार्किंग, या फिर आप बेसमेंट क्रिएट कर दोगे पार्किंग के लिए। यू विल क्रिएट अ बेसमेंट फॉर पार्किंग और ग्राउंड फ्लोर फॉर अदर ब्लॉक्स अदर देन ब्लॉक ए। ब्लॉक ए में आपको ओल्ड एज पीपल को रखना है, 20 घर बनाने उनके। अब एक ब्लॉक में एक इस पे लेट से हमने 4 घर बना दिए या 5 घर बना दिए, तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू अकोमोडेट। कैसे आप कर रहे हो, इन 20 लोगों को 20 कपल के घर आपको बनाने पड़ेंगे जो ग्राउंड पे ही बनेंगे। दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इसलिए मेरे को लगता है हमें बेसमेंट क्रिएट करनी पड़ेगी पार्किंग के लिए, जहां पे स्कूटर एंड साइकिल को पार्क किया जा सके। तो मे बी वी क्रिएट बेसमेंट एंड देन ऑल द ग्राउंड्स वी अकोमोडेट दीज ओल्ड पीपल, followed by first floor and second floor. That can be done, and this is how I think we can go for these houses. So blocks कैसे construct करेंगे, that we have to think of. After that, yes, now these amenities are to be created in the budgetary. So that amenities are to be created of 10 lakh rupees and house construction work. Now land, as far as the land is concerned of the government, you have 2 options. One is somewhere near the city and somewhere near hospital or something, where people can go for this hospital or schools or cities, somewhere around that, not very close but closer to that. Wahan pe land ka cost will be very high, so you will get very less land and you need to make vertical buildings. Suppose you go little suburban, away from the city, away from the amenities like hospital, schools, then it will be cheaper, land will be more, but then at the cost of these facilities. So we need to make a balance between these two, whether we want in the city or we want away from the city. So that particular permutation combination we have to do, so that land could be properly allocated. Now another very important thing is 2 important things which we should get is, one is the market, another is the hospital, third is the school. These 3 things are very important. So hospitals for all these people, old people, children and all and everyone, and school for children, and market for these people. So maybe a very small shop can be opened inside the premises, but then market will also be required. So these are the factors which we have to consider while making it. एंड सिविक कम्युनिटीज में वही मैंने आपको बताया, हॉस्पिटल है और मार्केट है और स्कूल है, ये सिविक कम्युनिटीज में आ जाएगा। दूसरा जो हमारा बस स्टैंड है, कहाँ है, वेयर पीपल गो फॉर वर्क, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल, सो वो बस स्टॉप कितना डिस्टेंस पे वहां से, दैट इज वन फैक्टर विच इज टू बी सीन। रो वाइज मल्टी स्टोरी वी डिस्कस्ड। प्रायोरिटी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग होम्स में प्रायोरिटी जो हम देंगे, तो आई थिंक फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी विल बी गिवन टू दिस ओल्ड एज पीपल, दैट इज व्हाट वी विल गो फॉर, and last priority will be given to this couple 25 to 30 years वाला couple जो है, उसको last priority दी जाएगी। तो जो हम A कैटेगरी के घर बना रहे हैं, 40 घर A कैटेगरी के, उनमें पहले 20 होम जो है वो इनको अलोकेट करेंगे, उसके बाद कपल 25 to 30 years को हम अगले घर देंगे प्रायोरिटी में। एंड देन वी आर मेकिंग 2 bedroom hall and 3 bedroom hall। इनको जैसे से बनता जाएगा, इन कैटेगरीज को हम अकोमोडेट करते जाएंगे। तो फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट मेकिंग A कैटेगरी होम्स, then we'll make this B category homes, and then we'll make C category home. And first priority will be given to 1, second priority will be given to 2, third priority will be given to 4, and fourth priority will be given to number 3. That is how we will give it. Prioritize हम ऐसे करेंगे। Facilities अंदर जो हमें facilities create करनी है, तो maybe अगर हम अंदर एक छोटा सा मार्केट क्रिएट कर सकें, छोटा सा शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स क्रिएट कर सकें, जहां ये 100 फैमिलीज कैन गेट बेनिफिटेड, वी नीड टू क्रिएट सम काइंड ऑफ फैसिलिटीज रिलेटेड टू दिस ऑल हाउस होल्ड एक्टिविटीज जो हमारी होती हैं, वो हमें क्रिएट करनी पड़ेंगी। ये स्मॉल गार्डन वी शुड क्रिएट फॉर ओल्ड पीपल टू सिट एंड चिल्ड्रन टू प्ले, स्मॉल गार्डन वी हैव टू क्रिएट। Parking lot we have already discussed, parking lot कहाँ पे create करना है। So these are the amenities which we are to create inside, ये हमें चीज करना है। और 10 लाख के बजट में जो हमारा परसेंटेज रहेगा घर की कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड एमिनिटीज, I think it has to be 80%, 20%. 20% for creation of the amenities and 80% for construction work. That is how budget should go. That should not include the land cost. That land cost coming into that.
एक डाउट है.
Yes.
सर जैसे आपने बोला कि 80-20 रेशियो लेके चलना है कि 80% should be used for the construction of the buildings and 20% for the amenities we are going to provide.
Yes.
बस एक नंबर, ये एक नंबर तक आना, फिर कोई अपोज कर सकता है ये नंबर कैसे आपने डिसाइड किया कि 80-20 ही होना चाहिए?
ये आपके ऊपर चॉइस होती है. जैसे मैं आपसे पूछूं, आपने कार का बजट डिस्कस करो, बजट कितना कार का रखेंगे आप, एंड आप किस चीज पे ज्यादा स्पेंड करना चाहते हैं, आप घर में किस चीज पे स्पेंड करना चाहते हैं, इंटीरियर पे, एक्सटीरियर पे. तो दिस लार्जली डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू एंड योर चॉइस.
सर मैं जैसे आपने कहा कि अपन अंदर एक मार्केट ही बना सकते हैं, एक जैसे अपन पार्क भी बना सकते हैं, और फिर आपने डिसाइड किया कि अगर कॉस्ट परमिट करेगा अपन इकोलॉजिकल बेनिफिट करेंगे, सोलर पैनल्स भी लगाएंगे. सर इन सब में भी तो कॉस्ट जाएगा. अगर अपन 80% कंस्ट्रक्शन में ही लगा देंगे तो फिर सामने वाला ऑब्जर्वर ये सोच सकता है ना कि आपने इतने सारे पॉइंट्स दिए कि ये करना है, मगर आप सिर्फ 20% कॉस्ट इन सब से एसोसिएट कर रहे हो.
You know that construction cost is the costliest. Construction is very costly thing.
Yes, definitely sir. बाकी सब चीजें भी जो
इनफैक्ट मेरे को तो 20% भी ज्यादा लग रहा है. नाउ लेट मी आस्क यू क्वेश्चन. गार्डन क्रिएट करने में क्या लगता है आपको, कितना पैसा लगेगा?
सर वो लैंड कॉस्ट है. जैसे फिर आपने बोला कि
लैंड कॉस्ट तो उसमें है ही नहीं,
तो
लैंड कॉस्ट इज वेरी
इशू है ही नहीं, तो फिर गार्डन को इशू जाएगा ही जाएगा.
लेट मी कम टू नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. मार्केट क्रिएट करने में कितना कॉस्ट लगेगा?
सर मार्केट करने में से इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर
कुछ भी नहीं, टीन लगता है बस, नथिंग. दैट इज नॉट अ पक्का कंस्ट्रक्शन मार्केट. You know that
पैनल्स में भी कॉस्ट लगेगा.
सोलर पैनल इज नॉट अर्जेंसी एज ऑफ नाउ. यू कैन डू इट लेटर ऑन इफ रिक्वायर्ड.
कंस्ट्रक्शन करना पड़ेगा, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, रोड का कंस्ट्रक्शन होगा,
वो भी बहुत कम होता है.
वाटर लाइंस का, वाटर सब कंस्ट्रक्शन में आ जाएगा. वो सब
वाटर जो है वो हाउस कंस्ट्रक्शन का पार्ट हो गया ना, अमेनिटीज का जो आपका पार्ट उसके साथ हो जाता है वो. हाँ, घर का सबसे ज्यादा खर्चा है. इनफैक्ट मेरे को तो लग रहा है 80% भी कम है.
ये सब एक करेक्ट फिगर तक नहीं आ पाएंगे ना कि इतना ही लगेगा.
तो आप करेक्ट मांग कौन रहा है आपसे? बट यू आर गिविंग नथिंग. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू. समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग.
ओके सर.
देयर इज योर acumen. You tell me one thing, when you start making home for you,
yes sir,
you make a budget.
Yes sir.
Is that 100%
overcross हो जाता है? No, overcross ही होता है.
But do you make or not?
Yes sir कि इतने तक हो जाना चाहिए.
That is what he is asking. You make it. You say no, I'll not make it because it will cross. I'll not make a budget because sir it will not be accurate. Is that the logic? You will not even make it. You will make a budget and then here and there these things will change. But at the beginning, he's saying that give me something, tentative figure. That is, he's trying to understand your thinking in that direction. You'll say, no, sir, because we cannot give you 100% accurate. So let's not even discuss budget. That I'm not agree to listen. I want that you should talk about budget actually. You should talk about something that, okay, we will make a market, but it will not cost us much. I want to know that your idea is there or not. That market jo create karna hai, that will not cost you to create infrastructure in the market. It will not cost you. Why? Because it is a very simple construction. House on the other hand.
Yes, sir.
House is earthquake prone. There has to be, RCC Saria in that, steel bars in that, concrete as a pakka house. So
yes, sir.
Construction costly more. And interior will also cost you, no? Interior in the house will also cost you. So yes, 8 lakh is still, I'm on the, pessimistic side. It has to be more than that. But if we keep 80-20%, then 20% will be very good, amenities you can create. If you get spare that much of money, 20%. Yes, and one more thing, you will get everything subsidized because it is government. So you need to get everything subsidized for that. Now, second part you will do is, like when you start making construction, then, you need to basically get the cheap, raw material and cheap labor. This thing you need to basically think. And another thing you can do is, like, who are the beneficiary? You have to identify the beneficiary. And maybe you can take help from those beneficiaries during the construction process also, so that you can save some kind of labor cost in that. That also thing you can keep in your mind. So in these kind of group tasks, what you have to do is, you are to be as much meticulous as possible, and you need to discuss as many things as possible. And positively, you should discuss about the budgetary things when it comes to there, and start putting things in priority. They are asking the priority, on what basis you are making priority. how many types of home do you want to make? So what were the most important points here? Most important points were, could you identify that land cost you are not to bear? Could you make the budgetary that how much you will spend on construction of the house and how much on the amenities? Could you identify that there are 3 classes of the houses to be made? Could you identify that the size is not equal? Could you identify that on an average this 10 lakh is on an average cost? Some will cost 15 lakh, some will cost 7 lakh, but on an average is 10 lakh. Could you identify the priority how you have to give it? Whom to give when? Could you foresee that, okay, there is to be a, ground floor pay, old age people are to be accommodated at the ground floor? And could you identify what are the most important things inside the place and where that location should be? If government land is to be taken, where that land should be? So these are the main important points which you should have spoken. Now, after this, I think I'll give you 6.5 for whatever you discussed. The important points you skipped here, those points you have to incorporate in your task. And I don't think anybody will be eliminated, except that if you say something which actually is not relevant, then elimination point can come. Otherwise, I think nobody will be eliminated. And if you say these points, then certainly you will go forward. So it is the point, and it is the relevance of the point which will help you to go forward. And they listen it very carefully, and accordingly you proceed forward. And if you say that, sir, we did not talk about budget because we could not have estimated the accuracy of the budget, then he is not going to take it. Because
yes, sir, about that, sir, I want to say, sir, I think, sir, 3 times that we should discuss about the budget, sir, but nobody was agreeing. So, sir, in a practical scenario, sir, how to deal with that? Because, sir, I felt that it is important.
You should have gone one step forward, Akriti. You should have persisted and gone one step forward. If they are not listening, observer is certainly listening.
Okay, sir.
And they are giving you fair chance. You should have said, friends, budget is a very important thing. Out of 10 lakh, let's percentage wise divide how much for construction, how much for amenities, and how much. In my opinion, 80%, 20%. The moment you say this line, you are done. Observer has already pointed it out. He has already seen that, right? But budget, he will feel like you need to give some details, right? And whenever you are not sure, you use these words. We cannot be very sure, friends, how much budget. But to my estimate, correct me if I'm wrong, to my estimate, let's keep...
Yes, sir, I told the percentage also, and I asked also that please correct it. And if you want to add, then, sir, everyone was of opinion like, no, we will give it to contractor.
Not a problem. You can add your own points, not an issue.
Okay, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir, done. Thank you.
Okay, then I think, yeah.
सर अगर ये कोई ग्रुप में मतलब कंटिन्यूअसली बोलते जाए तो उसको मतलब ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि लेट अदर गिव आल्सो सम चांस टू।
वहां पे ऐसा सिचुएशन आता नहीं है क्योंकि वहां पे 7-8 लोग सामने बैठे होते हैं और आप भी बोल रहे होते हैं, तो कोई ऐसा मैंने सुना नहीं अभी तक कि बोले पड़ा है लड़का और सुन नहीं रहा है। बट अगर ऐसा हो जाए तो तुम इसको ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि बाकियों को बोलने दे, तुम उसको पॉइंट से ही चुप करा सकते हो कि ओके सप्तऋषि, वी हैव टेकन योर पॉइंट, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द ओपिनियन ऑफ ऋषि, ऐसा बोलना है तुम्हें।
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन था सर, इसका जब एक्चुअल हुआ था एचपीसीएल में, उन लोगों ने क्या सॉल्यूशन निकाला था इसका, उस बैच ने?
They didn't provide me the solution.
Okay, sir.
So the students did not discuss with me the solution, but this was the task and I told you what is to be done in this, right? और किसी भी ग्रुप टास्क का ऐसा कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं होता सही या गलत, आपको अपने पॉइंट्स देने होते हैं, रेलिवेंट पॉइंट्स देने होते हैं जो मैटर करते हैं कि हाँ यार ऐसे तो हमने सोचा नहीं थे, तो पॉइंट सोचना चाहिए था। He just checks your thinking in what direction.
और सर मैंने ये पार्किंग का सोचा था, मगर फिर मुझे ऐसा लगा कि पुअर लोगों के लिए बना रहे तो उनके पास गाड़ी तो
साइकिल कहाँ रखोगे? पुअर लोग साइकिल तो लेते ही हैं। एंड यू नो कपल, आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ, हस्बैंड वाइफ अगर आज 15-20 हजार भी कमा रहे हैं, वो कार रख ले रहे हैं। I've seen many places, you know, people are keeping those whom we call poor, they are having cars, you know, that's not a problem. The people, husband and wife, both are earning 30,000-40,000 rupees monthly. They can afford EMI of 5,000 and afford a car. They are having it, not a problem, right? 30,000-40,000 mein second hand car you can get. In my office also, you know, some people have this like 30,000-40,000, 50,000 mein cars are coming. So suppose you have a car of let's say 10 years old now, so 10 years you want to give it, you give it 50,000 rupees, अच्छी कार आ जाती है 50,000 रुपए में, so people are having that, so you need to keep that thing also in mind, right? So you plan for future. आज उनके पास पैसा नहीं है, 10 साल के बाद तो हो सकता है, then tomorrow they will come out with the car and say, no, हमने तो parking facility बनाया ही नहीं है. We assumed you will always remain poor. We have not made a car for you. So that is wrong. You have to plan in advance actually. Do that, right?
Okay.
Chalo, then this couple of GTs are going on actual GT basis nowadays. So पिछला जो 165th GT था, that was also actual GT of HPCL, and this is also actual GT of HPCL. I've got some more GTs. We'll make now series of actual HPCL GTs. Okay, thank you.